what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a little experiment like always. I was just sitting there and thinking the other day, like, why do we have so many hair products? Why do I have so many hair products? And I was just thinking, like, I mean, I don't want to say white people products because, I mean, I can say white people products. Products that are targeted towards white people or Caucasians or people with straight hair, whatever you want to call it. Usually they have products that are like all-in-one, like 7-in-1, all-in-one, total this, total that. I'm like, why don't we have an all-in-one? If there is one, I don't know about it, then correct me. But point is, I need something with a little oil, a little cream, a little gel, a little, you know, just something different. So I just figured I was gonna sit here and make it into a video, and I'm gonna make my own little concoction hair product all-in-one type thing. So a while ago, you would see on YouTube that people were doing the I mixed all my leave-ins, I mixed all my deep conditioners. There are no rules in this one. I'm mixing everything. Like, whatever I feel like I need in my hair cream, I'm putting it in. This probably won't make much sense, but we will see how it turns out. After I make my concoction, I will go ahead and put it on my hair, see how it works, see how it feels, and we'll talk about it. If you are new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below because it is free. I haven't said that in a while, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you're not new, thank you for coming back. All right, so I have my two favorite oils, avocado and grapeseed oil. I have my two favorite leave-ins, I can never say that. Blueberry Bliss and TGIN green tea leave-in. I have my two favorite gels, Eco Styler and Kinky Curly. My favorite deep conditioner, the Shea Moisture Strength and Restore Mask. My favorite pomade, which is the Dax BEESWAX. I have my DEVA Curl 1 conditioner because I just love it. We'll see what I do with that. And then, oh, I have another leave-in, is a Blue Magic Argan Oil Vitamin E. I did think about, okay, so let me start with the Dax because it's so thick. I feel like I should probably melt it or something. How much should I put in? Like, that much? Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm gonna put a bit more because I do want it to be a little bit. Okay, maybe I'm doing too much. Okay, well, we'll see. Put that in there. Okay, so I'm gonna add my oils. I'm gonna do grapeseed. It's about a tablespoon worth. Avocado oil. Okay, actually, I'm gonna microwave this. I'm gonna microwave it, let it melt because it's too thick. I don't know how I'm gonna mix it, so I'll be right back. All right, so I microwaved it for about 20 seconds. I got a little nervous because I don't want it to turn all weird. So it got a bit softer. It's not liquid, but it's like a, you guys can see that. I'm feeling like you could use a little bit more oil, so I'm just gonna add it. Honestly, if you got anything bad to say about this video, don't say it at all. Because I know it's not practical. This is just for fun. Like, can we have some hair science here? Damn. I feel like sometimes naturalistas can be a little uptight. I'm not saying you should damage your hair, but you know, like, sometimes rules can go out the window. Okay, so I think now I'm going to do my leave-ins to mix in there. So I'm going to start with the Argan Oil one. I'm just going to use this, whatever. This is the Blue Magic leave-in. Putting about 2 tablespoons-ish. I don't know, so that much. I like how creamy it's getting. Oh, damn. Okay. And then I'm gonna add some Blueberry Bliss. I put about a tablespoon in there. Okay, so you guys can see it's very thick. Ooh. It kind of reminds me of like cake batter. Okay, add the TGIN. There's like nothing left in here. I'm gonna add a little bit of the DEVA Curl. The DEVA Curl 1 condition. This is an actual conditioner. I'm not gonna put too much, so just maybe a teaspoon. I just put just that much. Okay, so now the Shea Moisture, a tiny bit of the mask. That much. Ooh, it smells so good. Because honestly, when I put this in my hair, the mask I mean, I leave a little bit in anyways. So who says it can't be a leave-in? thinking I'm actually gonna add a bit more oil. Some avocado oil. It smells so good, guys. You know, natural hair products all smell amazing, so imagine just mixing them all together. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start with the gels now. Kinky curly. I'm gonna take about this much. I don't want to waste it because this stuff is expensive. So that's all I'm putting for that. I'm actually just gonna close the jar. We're not playing games with this one. Ooh, change the texture a bit. So now I'm gonna add some Eco Styler, and I'm gonna be a bit more generous with this one. I'm gonna put 1, 2. Oh wow, yeah, now it's literally like a gel. You guys can see how smooth that is. Like, it's, see how like you can like cut it up like gel. Okay, so now that I'm done with the Eco Styler, I think I have everything in there. It's like hit. I'm just hoping when I put it in my hair that it's not super white. I'm going to rinse my hair out and we'll try it on my head, see what happens, see if it's any good, and yeah, we'll see. Okay, so yeah, I washed my hair. I tied away the back of my hair because I just want to work on the front so we can see, because you guys aren't going to see the back anyways. My hair's kind of damp, so I'm just going to work it in and see what happens. Oh wow, okay, it's very soft. It's not giving me any definition yet. It's interesting because I put so much Eco Styler in it and it's still not like giving me that gel-like effect completely. So it's giving me a nice soft hold. I'm working in really big chunks because, like I said, I want this to be like a daily cream type of thing. It literally is working. The only way I can describe it is like as though I've mixed all my products together. I'm gonna sit under a dryer for like 20 minutes and see what my hair feels like. Is it gonna be crispy? Is it gonna be soft? Is it gonna be greasy? Who knows? I feel like I used the same amount of Dax as I did Eco Styler, so this is like an interesting combo. I feel like the Dax might outpower the Eco Styler just because oil usually breaks up gel so easily. Okay, so this is what it looks like close up. It's reacting in my hair kind of like any heavy product that I put in it. It's curling up, it's sitting well, it's not getting crunchy. It is extremely soft though. That's the one thing I can say. I'm gonna let this sit in my hair, dry, and then I will come back and I will show you guys the result. Okay guys, so I am back. I was under the dryer for about 20 minutes. I was surprised. I feel like a lot of things, okay, let me just explain how it feels first. The shine, my regular wash and goes are nice, but they're not shiny like this. And look, let me just show you how soft it is. It's literally so soft that it's bouncy. This is literally everything I would need if I was making my own product. I'm just gonna go through and pick it a bit. You guys can see my hands well. They're soft. Okay, here you can see a bit of shine on my fingers, but they're not like severely greasy as if I was like only using the Dax. Let me show you guys the back of my hair that was not touched and you guys can see the difference. So it's moisturizing, it's hydrating with the leave-ins, it's deep, extra hydrating with the deep conditioner. It's holding, I already said that. It has all the good oils, whatever, you guys get it. It has everything that I would need. So I'm gonna put this up and let's just do a quick little summing up. Oh, I hope you guys can see the difference between this and my wash and goes. My wash and goes are like very defined, very crisp, very clean, and they last very long, but this is like such a soft hold. Like I could do this every day. A wash and go I can't do every day. This is the final look. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see the back one more time. Bam. So that is the difference. I am pleasantly surprised. I know my hair needs moisture. I know it needs hold. I know it needs oils. I know what it needs. So usually when I put things in my hair, it might just look like, why are you putting all this stuff in your hair? But it's like, I know my hair. This is literally what it needed and I just created it, and I'm so happy because I'm saving this for the next 2 weeks, okay? I'm good with this. I'm good with this. I am disappointed that I don't have a product that I can just buy, but hey, maybe that's a new project for 2019. maybe I need to create it because this is amazing. And did you guys, sorry, hold up. When you go to do a wash and go, you know how they're like, oh, if you have type 4 hair, your hair must be soaking wet. Did you see how dry my hair was when I did this? Did you see how well it worked? This is a time saver, okay? Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I don't suggest that you go take all the products in your cupboard and put them into one thing and dump it in your hair. But I do encourage that you get to know your hair, get to know your hair's needs, figure out what it is, and use what you need to use. Stop listening to people who tell you what to do with your hair. Do what works for you. But this is just an example of how you make it work for you. This worked for me and I love it. I love this. I need to go out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little experiment. Let me know what you think about my hair. I love it. I think this was a huge success. Let me know what you think. Would you do this? Did you think this was a stupid idea? Do you think there's too many chemicals? What do you think? Share your opinion. Positive, even if it's negative, because I love it that much. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you thumbs up this video. It helps so much. Comment down below. Make sure you subscribe because there's so much more where this came from. We're gonna have fun this year. 2019 is going to be a fun year for hair. No more rules, no more all this crazy natural hair stuff. We're having fun, we're taking care of our hair, and we're doing what works for us. So make sure to follow me on Instagram as well so you don't miss out. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And that is it. That is all you have to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.